go in a second. God damn. I just love this car, y'all. I'm just enjoying my whip right now. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoying this video right now as much as I'm enjoying it. Driving. I don't know if you can hear the exhaust because of the wind, but you know, or hear me, I don't know. But hey, I'm enjoying my whip, bro. Look at those horsies. Horsies. I'm the real horse, Nick. I'm the real horse. I'm in the real horse. Damn. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just driving. Yeah, got some content. And I'm not about to get stuck behind this truck. I'm gonna go this way. They keep saying photo enforced, but I haven't seen no photos, no cameras. Ooh. Just hit that water. Oh, I should burn some tires though. Should I burn some tires? I gotta do it on a straightaway. Watch this. Oh no, I gotta retry that. I gotta redo that. I gotta redo that. That was bad. That was bad. That wasn't even really gonna launch. Hold on. All right, see what's good right here. Damn. There was a car behind me too. We going crazy. Hey man, I just love this car. That's all that is. You know. I kinda want a 350Z though. But I need to learn how to work on cars though. Get my RSX right. When I get my RSX right, you know, that joint be looking pretty. I may boost it, I don't know. I don't think I am. I want to all-wheel drive the RSX though. I want to switch it to all-wheel drive. That would be tough. You feel me? See, when I get a crib, when I get my dream crib, bro, I want it to be in the back roads like this, bro. I want it to be out the way. You feel me? I want my crib to be out the way. I don't care if I gotta drive 20 minutes to go to fucking get gas or to a store. I don't give a fuck. God damn. You hear these shifts? Imagine if I had flames coming out the back. You see like that crib, bro? I want something like that, bro. Like, I want like a long driveway leading up to my crib. I want wood. I want like a good, like, a woods around my crib, you know, so I can take my four-wheelers and dirt bikes on the trails. You feel me? I want to have my little Batman garage with the little driving garage and shit. That's underground. You know what I'm saying? And I got the big house for the fam. That's what I want. That's the goal. That's my goal right there. You feel me? That's my goal, bro. I don't want to live in the city. I don't want to live in a suburban neighborhood. I want to live out the way, bro. Country, I guess you could call it country, bro. But I just want to be out the way. My own private compound. I want my own private compound. The only way I feel like I get there, bro, is if we go crazy on the tube. We need to go crazy on the tube, y'all. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody tuning in, man. You know, and I will always get back. When I'm up, bro, I'm the type to get back. You feel me? I'm the type to hand my bros 10K, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's me, bro. I just gotta wait until God's purpose. You know what I mean? God's purpose coming. Look at that truck behind me going crazy. Going crazy. I'm on your ass, boy. This truck on the back road's going stupid. Oh. I'm gonna pass this nigga. No, I can't do it at a turn though. Yeah, you got it, bro. Yeah, you got it, bro. I'm good off that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm good off that. I ain't like how much room I ain't have. He has it. He got it. He got it. And it was a turn right here. I wasn't risking it, bro. I don't know. I wasn't risking it, bro. Nah. I wasn't risking it, bro. I don't give no fucks, bro. I don't care, bro. I was not about to risk that shit. I was thinking about it, but see, he got stuck anyway, bro. It's no point. He got stuck. He got stuck anyway, bro. Ain't no point. You know what I'm saying? And if that truck would have came around and shit and hit my shit, I would have been pissed. You know? So I'm not tripping. We're still in the same spot anyway. I'm faster than him anyway. Yeah, bro. I'm just trying to draw my whip, man. I don't got nowhere to go. I got out of work early. I'm trying to get paid, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm not getting paid my full amount because I was late, which is my fault. But hey, man, like, I'll be working, bruh. I ain't trying to go to this job no more, man. I want to quit so bad and just go all in on this shit, bruh. I do. I really do. I really do. But we only got 300 subscribers. I can't take that risk right now. I can't take that risk right now, bro. I just can't. You know what I mean? Cause this car costs money. And that's how I make my bread, bro. The job, bro. You know? Even though I could, you know what I'm saying, stop working for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And then be good, but I'm not even about to do that either, bro. I'm not even about to risk that shit. I'm not about to risk that shit right now. Maybe once I actually start making bread off this, I'll risk it, bro. I'm a risk taker, bro. I'm investing 30K into a liability to try to make it a fucking asset for me. You know what I'm saying? That's a risk. You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm about. You know what I'm saying? Alright, my feet job burning. My feet job burning. I'm not gonna. There you go. That's better. That's better. My feet was burning, bro. I had it on my feet only. And I had my windows down. It's kind of cold. If you're watching this in another, you know, a later date, it's winter. I don't know. You can tell by the trees, bro. It's winter. And I'm cold. So I had that joint on my feet. Now my feet burning. And that's it. But I need my map back up. Make sure I'm going the right way. We should be coming up to a highway real soon. I might end the video soon because we are behind the truck, so I catch y'all when we next whatever I put in the video.